Big shout out to all my perfect friends. It's Matthew Barbie with Perfect Company. Let me take a moment and show you how to get more recipes. Now, we all know that all of the perfect apps come with hundreds and hundreds of recipes right out of the box. You could scroll for days. But we here at Perfect Company like to offer you more content and allow you to get more recipes. So the easiest way to get more recipes is to hit the big Get More Recipes box. We have appetizers, breads, Rashawn McDonald has a great pack, some different holiday things, brownies, etc., etc. So let's say I want to make some appetizers. I'm going to have a little party. I'm going to hit Browse, go through all kinds of new recipes. Now you might notice this little cloud icon in the upper left-hand corner. That means the recipe is in the cloud. It's not in your app yet. So all you got to do is click on the recipe. Here it comes. Ta-da! We can see it. Now if we go back, you notice the cloud icon is gone and it is now in your library. So if you were to go back to Browse and search for pesto, boom, there it is right there in your library at your disposal. Now you can also get more recipes by using the categories. So right there, second one down, Get More Recipes, takes you to the same screen. To get back there, you just go to All Recipes. And last but not least, you can use your navigation bar here at the bottom, go all the way to the end, hit More. New menu comes up, you'll see Get More Recipes, click on that, takes you right there. So go out, check all the new content that you can add to your library, see what you like, download it, and enjoy. Hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, let us know at makeitperfectly.com. And as always, have a perfect day.